Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Sara and I am from South Africa. I live in Tongling City and I'm a teacher at Tongling University. So I welcome you to Binjang Library. So this used to be an abandoned dock and now it's the most beautiful library on the river. So let's go in and have a look.你好，
你好，你好。
你们在干嘛？
我们现在在上一场李白与长江文化的主题活动课。
你觉得这里怎么样？
首先我感觉这里的文化气氛很浓厚，书籍很多，然后建筑也是古色古香。这里位于长江边，环境也很安静，让我们能够沉浸到书中的世界。
我爱同欢乐，千年为你还。要须回不朽，夫君武松山。
你们在写什么？
我们在写关于李白的诗。
Oh, interesting. Can I have a try?
欢迎来试试吧。
Okay, but you will teach me. So how do I do it? What an enlightening day we've had at Binjang Library, Tongling City, Anhoi Province. We've learned so much. I've learned about the beauty of this beautiful library by the riverside, and I also learned some calligraphy from the students. And while I was here, I discovered that the romantic genius poet Li Bai has been here a couple of times. Li Bai is a romantic genius from years ago, from the Tang Dynasty. So I had such a wonderful experience in this library.